Alright you guys, today we're going to unbox Cars 2 on Blu-ray. As you can see, I have already done Cars 1. It'll probably be uploading by the time this is up. But if this is up first, that means I uploaded it at my lady's house and I have yet to unbox it at my house. But if I did, then that's what this is. 'Cause right now we're at my lady's house. So yeah, got this from Best Buy for 20 bucks. And on the back we have this one. Blu-ray feature film plus bonus. Features Disney enhanced high definition and picture and sound. Cartoons. Animator. Hawaiian Vacation theatrical short. Director's documentary. The same thing for the DVD. You can see the two Pixar shorts: exclusive Cars Toon, Animator, and Toy Story Toons Hawaiian Vacation. You can see it's rated G, and it's a Pixar movie. It's 106 minutes. Made by the Disney company. Blu-ray disc. It's region free, A, B, and C. So yeah, let's get into it. Cars 1 originally was $19 as well. Let me see. I have to use my lady's scissors. Son of a gun. This is my Disney rewards points. You can see the little thing for Toy Story's trilogy in 3D. You see Prep and Landing. It's coming to DVD and Blu-ray November 22nd. The 3D stuff, and Toy Story gang up there. Magic of Disney, some other stuff like that. Cars, the video game. More crap. Batteries and Band-Aids and stuff. I gotta get that next. And there you have your DVD. And over here you have your Blu-ray. So yeah, that was just my quick unboxing of Cars 2 on Blu-ray. Let me know what y'all think about this. Did y'all like it? Did y'all hate it? And I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.